Then, in just a few weeks since she started the program, her blood sugar was down to 122. She carefully checked over the next few days, and the highest it went up to was 130 a few times. But as she remembered what Dr. Sanders said, it was normal in this stage, and she should wait because it will soon get much better. And Dr. Sanders was right. Because after just a few more weeks, her blood sugar was down to a healthy 112, and every day after that was a blessing. Her blood sugar levels would never go higher than 112, even when she ate all her favorite desserts. Moreover, she kept calling us to tell us how every morning she wakes up full of energy. Her stress and anxiety is gone, as she already dropped 32 pounds. She even sent us pictures with her new amazing looks. A couple months later, when we tested her A1C, the glycated hemoglobin test, the results indicated zero trace of type 2 diabetes in her system. It was the most incredible feeling ever. She hugged me like a kid who just got her favorite Christmas present as I continued to stare at her test results. Even up to this day, she calls me every couple of months to thank Dr. Sanders and I for saving her life from this miserable disease. We thank you, Christina, for giving this formula a try and being the pioneer of what's now the biggest medical breakthrough in the type 2 diabetes industry. Seeing the incredible results this formula has, I convinced Dr. Sanders to share this formula with as many people as we could find. But he warned me, it's not going to be easy. Big Pharma will come after us with everything they've got, Dr. Sanders said. So that night we went online and posted an ad saying we were looking for more volunteers. From people with pre-diabetes to those whose blood sugar levels have been extremely high over the past 6 months, but all with one thing in common. Type 2 diabetes was ruining every aspect of their lives. In a week and a half, we had more than 50 volunteers from 21 to even 84 years old, ready to confirm our theory. Now, I expected this formula to work, as Dr. Sanders' case files clearly showed, but I didn't expect it to be that good. Within just a few weeks, 98% of all participants showed normal, below 120, and some even below 100 blood sugar levels. After 3 months, their glycated hemoglobin or A1C tests all showed normal levels. Every single one of them was no longer a pre-diabetic or a type 2 diabetic. They also reported a significant increase in their energy levels. Their overall mood lifted. They were now stress and anxiety-free. And as an unexpected side benefit, which surprised both Dr. Sanders and I, they all saw a boost in memory and focus. Now, within 2 months, 100% of all participants were type 2 diabetes-free. Many people also reported losing weight from their belly, arms, face, hips, and thighs, increased their energy levels, having clearer vision, and getting rid of the pain in their arms and legs. It was clear as daylight that this formula was working. Dr. Sanders and I were witnessing our lifelong dreams come true. All the suffering from type 2 diabetes had to end, and we had to make this available for everyone. So Dr. Sanders and I managed to pull some strings, and we found a small independent natural pharmaceutical company in Colorado. And we started looking for suppliers that only offer the purest ingredients. I'll tell you, it wasn't easy. It took us weeks of looking before we found reliable sources, especially in this worldwide crisis when all the good guys have been silently shut down by big pharma conglomerates because they didn't have the money to keep their operations running. We looked for ingredients on 3 continents. Dr. Sanders used all his connections to make sure we only got top-quality ingredients from certified and FDA-approved vendors. The job was excruciating. We worked day and night to make sure each ingredient would be mixed in the right quantities. But after over a month of hard work, we finally did it. We created a clinically proven natural formula that targets the root cause of type 2 diabetes, resets your body's ability to control your blood sugar, and normalizes your glucose, and rids you of the debilitating symptoms of this terrible disease. We called it Diabicor, the only natural blend that goes directly to the root cause of your type 2 diabetes and fixes your pancreas's natural ability to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. We only produce